Every spring, millions of homeowners wage a war against their own backyards. We spend fortunes on chemical herbicides to destroy the so-called intruders, ruining our perfect green lawns. But what if I told you that the enemies you are poisoning are actually more valuable than the grass you were trying to save? 100 years ago, these weren't called weeds, they were called medicine. Our great-grandparents didn't run to the drugstore for every scrape, cough, or stomachache. They walked outside. Today, we're going to rediscover 5 of these powerful plants. Most of them are probably growing in your driveway right now. Here are 5 medicinal weeds you should never kill. Number 1 is the king of the driveway, broadleaf plantain. You've stepped on this plant 1,000 times. It loves compacted soil and grows where nothing else will. But to survivalists and herbalists, this is known as the green bandage. If you get a bee sting, a mosquito bite, or a cut while working in the garden, this is your first line of defense. The leaves contain allantoin, a compound that promotes cell growth and repairs tissue. Chewing a clean leaf to make a poultice and placing it on a bite can stop the itching and draw out toxins almost instantly. It's nature's first aid kit, and it's completely free. Number 2 is the most hated weed in suburbia, the dandelion. Fertilizer companies have spent billions convincing us that dandelions are pests, but in reality, every single part of this plant is edible and medicinal. The leaves are packed with more vitamin A and K than spinach, but the real treasure is hidden underground, the taproot. When dried and roasted, it makes a coffee substitute that doesn't just wake you up, it detoxifies your liver. While we pay for expensive detox supplements, the most powerful liver cleanser is growing right on your front lawn, waiting to be harvested. Number 3 is yarrow. You can recognize it by its feathery leaves and clusters of tiny white flowers. Its Latin name, Achillea millefolium, comes from the Greek hero Achilles, who reportedly used this plant to treat his soldiers' wounds, and the legend holds up. Yarrow is a powerful styptic, meaning it stops bleeding. If you have a deep cut and are far from medical help, crushed yarrow leaves applied to the wound can help clot the blood rapidly. It also fights infection. It's not just a weed, it's a battlefield trauma kit that grows perennially. Number 4 is hard to miss. It's mullein. You'll see it growing along roadsides with its tall yellow flowering spike and big fuzzy velvet-like leaves. Because of those soft leaves, it's jokingly called cowboy toilet paper, but its true value is in your lungs. Mullein leaf tea has been used for centuries to treat respiratory issues, from chronic coughs to bronchitis and asthma. It helps expel mucus and soothes inflamed airways. In a world where respiratory health is becoming a major concern, having a patch of mullein in your garden is like having an insurance policy for your lungs. Number 5 is the one you're probably most afraid of, stinging nettle. Yes, if you touch it with bare skin, it hurts, but that sting protects one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. Once dried or cooked, the sting completely disappears. What's left is a superfood packed with iron and calcium. Ironically, the plant that causes a reaction is also the cure. Nettle tea is one of the best natural remedies for seasonal allergies and hay fever. Instead of relying on antihistamines that make you drowsy, nature offers nettle. So, the next time you see these plants in your yard, don't reach for the weed killer, reach for a basket. We have traded this ancestral wisdom for convenience, but it's not too late to learn it back. If you want to reclaim your independence and learn the secrets of the plants growing around you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It helps us share this lost knowledge with more people. Let me know in the comments, which of these weeds do you have in your backyard? Thanks for watching, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.